Welcome to TechStunner, your destination for cutting-edge unboxing experiences. Join us as we explore the excitement of unboxing, one tech treasure at a time. Subscribe now and never miss a thrilling unboxing moment. Here we go.
Are you contemplating upgrading your current tablet? Have you heard about the Vivo Pad 3 Pro? This sleek device, without voice call functionality, is set to hit the markets on April 20th, 2024, and will be available in grey, blue and violet. Let's dive deeper into its features. Starting with the design, the Vivo Pad 3 Pro has a slim profile, measuring 266 by 191.6 by 6.6 millimeters. It's available in grey, blue and violet. The tablet boasts a 13-inch Color IPS Screen display with a resolution of 2064 by 3096 pixels. Its aspect ratio is 16:10, with about 287 pixels per inch. The HDR10+ feature enhances the color and contrast for a realistic viewing experience. With a screen-to-body ratio of about 86.6%, you can enjoy a more immersive viewing experience. The Vivo Pad 3 Pro comes with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, ensuring smooth performance and ample space for your apps and files. The device uses UFS 3.1 storage type, known for its high-speed data transfer. However, it's worth noting that there's no card slot for additional storage. As for connectivity, it's equipped with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth version 5.3, and a USB-C v3 2-port. Plus, it supports USB on the go for easy file transfers. Whether you're streaming, browsing, or transferring files, the Vivo Pad 3 Pro has got you covered. The Vivo Pad 3 Pro boasts a 13MP ultra-wide rear camera and an 8MP wide-angle front camera, perfect for capturing high-quality photos and videos. The rear camera features an ultra-wide lens and macro capabilities, allowing you to capture stunning panorama shots. It also supports video recording at 4K UHD resolution, so you can document your world in crisp, vibrant detail. Under the hood, the Vivo Pad 3 Pro runs on Android version 13, powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset and an octa-core processor. This potent combination ensures smooth performance, even when multitasking. The device also comes equipped with a hefty 11,500 mAh battery, supporting 44W fast charging and even offering reverse charging capabilities. With its sleek design, vibrant display, ample storage, seamless connectivity, high-quality camera, advanced technical features, and long-lasting battery, it truly stands out. The Vivo Pad 3 Pro, a tablet that combines style, performance, and convenience, all in one package.
Enjoying our content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now for more exciting content, and click the video appearing on the screen to continue watching. Otherwise, see you next time. I'm Sarah from TechStunner. Have a nice day.